For this video, we are going to look at the page builder that we installed for the Tesseract. The page builder, the first thing that we need to do is we're going to add in the content blocks. So we're going to click on the content blocks up here at the top. We're going to choose the first thing that we want displayed on our page. So the very first thing after the navigation, underneath the navigation, I'm just going to put this discover, this nice image with the text underneath it. When this is inserted, you will see that you have basically it's in a row setting, and as you hover over the different sections of the rows, then you are able to edit that row setting. So if you click on this wrench, after you click on the wrench, you can update the background image. So I will go to select photos, choose the background that I want, select photo, and now I have inserted that photo onto the background. Very easy to do. The next thing, I'm going to edit the text, and the text can be edited separately. So I'll hover over the text, click on the wrench, and I'll replace this with my own. Learn. Discover. You don't know. And I'll click save. And there we go. We have our new header type slider look picture at the top. Let's say that we wanted to add in another content block underneath of this. To have 3 buttons underneath, we can go to content block. I'm going to add the 3 featured boxes. This will insert directly underneath what I just did. So notice how that it's only half, or I would say 3/4 of the width of my website. So if I click on this wrench, the row settings, I can go to the width right here. It's set it fixed. Drop that down, set it to full width. You can see that it now expands. And I can click save. If I want to edit the individual pictures, I hover over the pictures, click on the wrench, and I can update the picture that I want for each one of those. So this one I'll choose for my family photo. And we'll do, I guess we'll do the full size on that one because it's already small. The second one I can update for vacation. And that one I can, I'll do the thumbnail size of it. Maybe the medium size one. Hit save. You really want all of them to be the same size. That one's a little bit larger than what I had anticipated. Let's go down to the thumbnail size. See if that looks, yeah, that looks a little bit better. And the last one, I will use WordPress. So I will use this little icon for WordPress. We'll use the thumbnail size for that one as well. Okay, so I have my 3 thumbnail sizes up here at the top. Now I'm ready to go down and work on my text down here at the bottom. So if I just hover over the text, I click the wrench, everything opens up, and it's as easy as replacing the text. So I'm going to choose this one. Let's change this to family. Family. And then I'm going to update this. I don't want to, oops, did not mean to do that. I'm going to choose the URL, and I'm going to change that to family. And the link text, I will change to family. I wanted to spell it correctly. And click update. And save. There you go, and I'll do the same thing for vacations. I will edit this, our work, change to vacations. The hyperlink works a little bit different. If I click one time in the hyperlink and then I click edit, I can actually click in the URL and I can choose where I want that button to be linked. So I will choose vacations. In our work, I will change that to vacations and click update and save. The last one is WordPress. WordPress, I I'm going to change this to the word WordPress. WordPress, the contact us. I'm going to change that, so I'll hover over and change that to the WordPress page. And the link text is also going to be changed to WordPress. And update. And save. There you go. So we have now inserted 2 rows onto our home page, and it looks really good. So let's take a look at what our page looks like. I'm going to click done up here in the upper right hand corner, publish changes. And here's our page. This is our home page. Home page. And as it scrolls, it goes down, and it looks starting to look really professional. Okay. Thanks.